We are working on 2014 BMW 328i. It's aftermarket Android string on bed. We're going to put new one in along with the backup cam. Okay, the first step we're going to do is to remove this center console. Use a panel popper to pry out the wood grain air vent. No special trick, you just pull that out straight up. Step is we're going to remove these two screws. Those two screws, those are Torx.
0.5?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, wireless.
Two more screws on the bottom side. Remove these two screws. This comes out. Pulls up. Just disconnect this one. Okay, so we're going to remove two screws on the radio chassis. This already has a key harness for the aftermarket. But we're going to replace the entire harnesses. This doesn't work. The original one, which is this one here. Can you undo this one? Okay, this green cable, it's a fiber optic cable that was connected here on this side. You're gonna have to remove that. There's a locking clip right here. You move away, this cable comes out, and you put it to, this is T-harness, you put it to the same spot, which is the outer side, and this goes back into the factory radio. The female side, male side actually, goes into factory harness without the fiber optic. So we're going to take this one out from T-harness that belongs to this aftermarket one, which we're not going to use. As you can see, just once you lift that little plastic pin, this fiber optic cable comes out. So this was originally on this harness radio to the factory one. You remove that, this goes into new T-harness now. So this is the video LVDS cable. You got to push this pin inward, carefully pull this out. Be careful not to break this one. These are aftermarket harnesses. So we're going to get rid of all that T-harness that belongs to old harness, old monitor. Pulled out, so we're going to run new one up here in the back. So you can see interface there. I'm gonna run it up the same way we took it out. This is a new key harness. This is from order?
It's the same.
Okay. Sunset is what you get. Set up. Setting. Alright, so we're gonna do a reverse setting first. We are putting on aftermarket cam, so make sure it's aftermarket. If you have a factory, then you gotta set as an OEM. We're gonna do a AHD cam. Original car settings. So this resolution doesn't work, which is 1280, 480. So we're gonna try a different one. So let's try CIC. It's still not showing. Oh, the cam is not in. That's why it's not showing that. So we're gonna try one more thing. Settings, reverse settings. There is a cam, so I'm gonna try the original one.
Settings.
Good. Try to find the reboot. System. So it's on the system all the way down. The reboot. Still doesn't show. Let's see. It shows. It was supposed to be on this side.
The resolution is this one.
Okay, so we're gonna try different resolution. So this one, I know if you do this, so we're gonna try different resolution.
It's outside.
Settings, the original screen.
Try
800 by 480. Let's see. Okay, that works. Alright. Backup cam. That works. Alright, so this. stays at reverse until you hit this back button for a couple seconds, then it goes back, and you do this, and you can use a CarPlay or Android Auto. So you gotta pair your phone.
LED maybe.
You open up your Bluetooth, connect your Bluetooth. So car DT is the ID on this one. Once it's paired, Android Auto will start. So if your Android Auto doesn't connect, here's what you're gonna do. Go to the setup. Setup. You hit the smartphone. It's a smartphone list. You turn on Android Auto. Initially, it was turned off. So we gotta turn that on. Same thing over here. CarPlay has to be on. So if these are on, CarPlay Android Auto will work. But if you turned it off, it's not gonna work. Same thing with the AirPlay. If you wanna do AirPlay, you gotta have this on, Auto Link. That's also Mirrorcast. That has to be turned on. So I'm not gonna leave those on. A lot of people complain when they pair the Mirrorcast, CarPlay doesn't work and Android Auto doesn't work. So our goal is to make the CarPlay and Android Auto working. So you go to your Bluetooth, look for car DT, connect that,
Maybe breaking it.
works. Let's see. No, we gotta get the microphone. Weather. On the OEM radio, I'll show you. In order to get audio from either CarPlay or Android Auto, you gotta go to OEM. Then you gotta use a joystick because as soon as you touch the screen, it goes to this main screen. So from here, you go to audio, and be sure to have auxiliary as an input. So you push it down. Now your volume has to be up. And you touch the screen. Go to Android Auto or CarPlay. We have a Samsung phone. So once you have done that, turn the volume up. Weather. Cell phone. You have Spotify, Pandora, iHeartRadio. You can play all from here. Right. Let's put it screws back in. So don't forget the plug on the corner.